it is bright outside. Alright gang, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video we're out shooting with the Resistance guys tonight for their after movie Extreme Auto Fest, and I need to give my car clean. I also realized I haven't actually shown you guys the car apart from my personal Instagram about what we've done to the car. As you can see, we've wrapped it full black with a friend of ours, Cameron, alongside all our other mates that helped us prep the car, which was awesome. You can see all of that on my personal Instagram, that is. But I thought I would do a walk around to show you guys the car, but first order of business is let's give it a bubble bath. So this is how she's looking, and it's time for a wash. Alright, so this is the car all finished and done. We haven't edited out. We're going to show you guys the interior and stuff when I'm done. I still need to pack the interior and display it because we have a set display. You guys would have seen that because that hasn't changed. We just added some green accents. But yeah, also you guys would have seen our new wheels and Terras. We got these from Shabba Mags. Shout out to them. If you guys are looking for some wheels, they are the place to be and the place to get the best mags. These shocked some people. I had a few people that saw this and thought to themselves, I would not purchase that, that's a bad idea. And then a lot of people that also said, don't be stupid, buy those rims, it's a good idea. And so we did, and I'm really happy with it. The full black definitely finished the look. We done some renders. I'll show a photo here of what we had planned with the car. After we had got the wheels and decided, look, this looks good, I slept on it before making the purchase, and then I started putting the car through AI and looking at what it could do color wise, and then with the car full black with these wheels aired out just was something else, and it really finished the look for me. So that's why we went for it. Had to keep the wing. We chose green as our accent color. We got a vinyl with a rattle can mix to match, so everything in the car is matching, but we didn't go too overboard. I only realized afterwards that it was so close to Monster can green. It wasn't the intention at all, but it just happened that way. So we've got a lot of Monster can jokes. But yeah, I think it looks awesome. I'm going to sort out the interior now, finish up and get the car ready for when Devon and Fabian get here and when we shoot the car. We're going to be out in a parking garage, so it's going to be nice to see the car in low light. And yeah, it'll be awesome. We're also going to snap some shots. The reveal. Wapow! Shoo! Check the sun. Oh my days. It was meant to be. I need to get a photo of that. Look how the sun's about to peek behind the trees there. Come here. It's go time for sure. I'll do my best to show you guys my attempt. 99, that doesn't sound right at all. Images. Yeah, that seems right. Let's adjust. Whew. CPR is a little bit intense. Turn that up, and we can adjust our shutter speed up. Take a little bit of a zoom in. So it's a bit hard to film this and take the photograph. That's the angle we're looking at. Let me lock in here quick. Meep. CPR looks good. Yeah, I got the shakes here. Okay, here's the light walk around. Ignore the camera gear, I'm taking it with me just in case. We have an aftermarket steering wheel, Sparko. It needs a bit of a clean, but for now it works. It's quite nice. This is the boot display. There's some pipes at the bottom there that we need to straighten out. All these pipes, the ones that are almost like caging the tank, are dummy lines. And then the four main ones on top are actual functioning. So a bit of a I would say a bit of a pain to do maintenance on the tank, and just maintenance on the system in general. I didn't think about maintenance too much when I was putting the system together, which is now an afterthought, but you know, it happens. We live and we learn. I definitely think if I was to change the setup, I'd go for something a lot more basic, or just a full dummy system that makes maintenance easy and it just pops out. But we'll get there one day. It's not really a priority at the moment. But yes, still the same system. We've got two 8s. I want to say, I think they are 400 or 500 watt RMS each, and then we've got 1000 watt monoblock at the bottom to run everything. I remember it being 400 watts. I remember actually the power base subs were 400 watts because we weren't using it to its max potential. But then it's tuned correctly, I have no clue. And then here's the setup all aired out, ready to rock. It is looking hot. These rims sit on the car really, really nicely. And the car looks weirdly smaller now that it's done. But yeah, things I'd like to change in the future. Headlights, I don't know if you can see, but that lens is a bit hazy. I've flattened and sanded it multiple times. I just haven't done clearly a very good job. And then the smaller eyelids, I think, also add a nice touch. But yes, I need to get a lens that sits properly, or one that I can actually clean properly. We also did the mirrors in black, rims, obviously you've seen. Then we've got the calipers done in the same green. And yeah, that's basically it. And then yeah, the wing you guys obviously have seen. One giant exhaust. I'm a big fan of Japanese cars, so my goal was something Japanese inspired. I love the Canon JDM exhausts, so that's why I went for something like that. And yeah, that's basically the gist of it. We will pick up when Devon and them get here, and then go for a shoot. I don't know if I'll film much while we are doing the rollers that way, but for the most part, yeah, I'll show you guys what I can. Thank you. All right, we are officially on the road. We are moving. Devon and Fabian are cruising behind me. We're heading down to the N1, and that we're going to do some rollers. As you can see, the light is basically gone, but that's all right. We're in the highway. There's decent lighting, and then we'll be making our way down to Claremont, I believe. Claremont, Cavendish, Claremont. I'm pretty sure it's Claremont. So yeah, I'll update you guys when we're hitting the rollers.
Let me take in the M5.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. That works. You guys don't want me to go the bottom way and then you catch me as you guys come off the bridge, or no?
Yes, let's see if we can time that. You take this turn off.
Okay, I will do. There's Devon in the manner.
I think I'll slow down a bit also.
No, I think you need to actually pick up because it pinches harder for you guys. So you guys go ahead and then I can squeeze in because I'm about to get on. The weirdest thing, check the lights. All the lights out here are like flickering. I told Devon to get a shot of this because it looks flippin' cool, but like how wild? This is like some horror shit. That is crazy. It is well lit in here, I must say that. Alright gang, we have made it. We're going to figure out movements now and where we're going to do what. But we'll hear what the story is, see what the plan is, and take it from there. But how dope is this section? This is... I think you must just be As you guys can see, Devon's been working on his yoga poses. Silvia doing the most. Car looks flipping great, I can't lie. I'm so chuffed. Seeing it in this light is like great. I do have my camera and gimbal here, so I might just do some portrait reels just of my car, just for myself for the socials, you know? Maybe even some pictures. I think I have to do pictures. I owe it to, especially after all the effort we put in. But yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up on the side and you guys can watch us shoot it just while we have some fun with it. Fabian's out there scouting the areas and such. But while we're on it, let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section. If you guys want to see some more vlogs. The reception to the previous vlog was great, so we're trying to lean into it a little bit more. But yeah, let us know if you guys have any questions about the car. Devon's over here.
Like and subscribe.
Man said it for me. Thank you so much. If you guys are enjoying this, please do so. And yeah, comment. Let us know what you guys think of the car. Let us know what you think we should change. We're open to ideas. But yeah, let us know.